Hi, today we're looking at the anti-looter kit. Now, some may think this is for your home. It's not quite designed for um, home security. If you're traveling, um, this is awesome to take with you. If you're camping, if you're in your house and you want something a little bit more permanent, you're going to set something up permanent. This has got a nice hard case to carry stuff in. Um, like if you got a camper or an RV, it's got window alarms, you got a trip wire, you got everything to set up to kind of keep an eye on what's going on around you. Um, it's a fairly decent priced kit. It's in a durable case. Um, just remember, it's not for a permanent in your home use. This is designed to take on the go when you're traveling and doing your family vacation. You want to keep your family safe. So check it out in the blog I've got. It's worth a shot. Thanks.